You haven't seen this Burping simulator too. Well, I've seen that thing before. Yeah, this one. So they have a big update. Big update. Big update. For my book. Okay. I need to first example. I see this video that he has a OG pet. Did it press this? He has this. Green diamond. Blue diamond. Orange diamond. What do you see everybody in the shower? 2 times the point. I like to use a tornado. First stage 4. Come on! I just want to be done. Ooh, first stage. She's first stage. Not that strong like my friend. This is my friend. His name is Carly. He's first stage 17. We were 15. What? Jockey. Bro, there's no jockey. Jump. Exo punch. Yes. My breath is so crazy, right? Want me to meet my friend? So later, you have to for me. Go. I'm just shrink. I don't want to be the most pretty song. I just want to say that I'm in the leader. I'm alone. Abracadabra. Nike for 2-time point. But only one. But I don't know. Nike did give you. But I don't know. Jump. You want me to unlock? What? A lot of you want me to get birth power to the 1 million. 1 million. I did that before when I didn't make a video. Now I record a video. Whoop! I just wait, did it? Okay. That would be fast. Come on. Oh, come on. I just want to unlock the tornado key before this video ends. Block blast. Shake it out, mama. Yes, sir. Now he's faster. Another one. I know. I see. Sounds good. Right. I want to reach to Burping 1000. Oh, I will do it part 2 next time. Part 2 next time. Next time. Coming soon, part 2. Or you want me to do it already? Subscribe. Because I want to, because we're so close to reach 55 subscribers. But thank you for 53 subscribers. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm in English. You know where that sound comes from? Outside. Oh, it's already a people. Hello. Where? Abracadabra! 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 Just need one more to one. Abracadabra! Sorry for mic off. You can't hear my voice or sound. Probably what to talk about it. It's Friday, right? But bye bye.